Hello everybody, this is James Quattro, and I'm at the Syracuse Auto Expo, and behind me is the all-new F-150 Lightning. Well, as you can see, this is the F-150 Platinum Lightning, so this is the highest Lightning trim that's available. And it's pretty sharp. There's no doubting this is a Lightning. You can see it's got the really nice lighting on the tailgate. The Lightning exclusive wheels. And then the front, it's got the signature lighting that's only available on the Lightning, where it goes all the way across, the headlight and above the upper part of the grille. So pretty sharp. This is my first look of the actual truck. Unfortunately, it is locked, so I don't have the ability to get in it and show you inside. You can see there, it's a Platinum. This has got the high-end interior. Look at that screen. Very similar. That's the Sync 4A that you get in the Mach-E, and has been in the Mach-E. See the gauge cluster there. Pretty cool. First impressions, I mean, outside of the obvious Lightning elements with the headlights, the grille, the wheels, obviously you got the charging ports. One on each side, which is kind of cool. It does support dual charging, so if you want to plug it in at 2 charging stations at once, you can, and charge it even faster. But outside of the obvious Lightning elements, it's still very much an F-150. You know, the cab, especially the doors, very reminiscent of a regular F-150. You get into the bed. Your standard F-150 bed, nothing special there. So it's still definitely an F-150 with a whole lot of difference when it comes to the powertrain and some of the functionality.